Hope Missions Week.
My name is Elise Lejeune.
Levi Roth.
Hayes Powell.
Natalie Halton.
I'm Jackson Gabbard.
Noah Mott.
Mitch Roth.
Carter Turnis.
Weston Nurse.
Danny Dwight Mott.
Ainsley Faith Clark.
Hallie Claire Rice.
Lori Halton.
I'm Colin.
My name is Danica.
This, I think, is my fourth year. Well, I started my first year. I was only here for a couple days, but this is my third year of staying the entire week.
I calculated the other day, and this will be my 8th.
This is my second year.
It's my second year too.
This is my third time.
I think we counted, this is my 9th year.
This is my second year. This is my first year.
I know it's been over 10 years, so I'm not sure if it's about 11 or 12 years now.
At least 10 plus years of that now.
Yes, sir. This is my third year.
Megan gave me the opportunity my first year. She didn't have anybody to stay with the boys one night, and she asked me if I would come and stay with them. And I was instantly addicted. I saw when you worship with people on Sunday morning, it's a little bit different than when you come out and serve with them. I got to see what the kids were actually. I got to learn a lot about the kids that I didn't, different personalities, and I got to see the love that they were willing to share with the community, and it was just addictive, and I wanted to be a part of it. So I keep coming back because I get as much out of it as they do.
Oh, I think what they do is absolutely wonderful. I think going out into the community, the kids learning skills and learning hospitality, learning to talk with others besides their friends and their family. I think it teaches them confidence. I think it teaches them respect.
It's a nice refresher to have at the beginning of every summer or just whenever we have it, and it always fills me back up whenever I'm running low throughout the year, and to help other people like that, it's a huge changer for me.
It's such a great way to minister to other people and to minister to the youth that are at our church. I know the adults that were with me when I was a camper really impacted me, like Lou and Miss Lindell. I created great relationships with them, and they're like my role models now and my mentors.
This year we did 2 sets of stairs at a lady's house, and then we added some handrails to another set of stairs she had. We did a 42-foot ramp and a 6-foot wheelchair ramp at 2 houses, and then they also went to Sleep in Heavenly Peace twice.
Several job sites, helping out the people, like ramps and stuff. And serving the homeless too.
Yeah.
My favorite was Sleep in Heavenly Peace because I like seeing like all the kids like happy whenever they go to bed.
So there's 2 things you do at Sleep in Heavenly Peace. There is, some people will go and deliver beds to people in the community, and then there's also like the big warehouse where they'll sand beds and build beds and make sure they're ready to go to be delivered. They go to children in the community who don't have a bed. I'm pretty sure their motto is nobody sleeps on the floor. So we make it to where everybody has a bed.
Because some kids don't have beds.
They don't?
They don't have beds.
How does that make you feel?
Sad.
Sad. Is there something we could do about that?
Yes, helping them build them beds.
Can we bring some beds?
Lots of them.
Lots of them? So
Like
there's lots
probably
of
like
kids.
30.
30 beds. Tell me about that.
We built 38, but then we delivered 17.
What was it like for the kids when they saw their beds?
They were happy.
Yeah.
They do not come up here just to play games. They come up here, they're up at the crack of dawn, and they don't go to bed until way after 10, 11 o'clock at night after worship.
Like it's fun stuff.
Like fun, you get to do scavenger hunts and build beds for and serve the homeless people.
Delivering blankets to the dog place. I got to pet the dogs and cats.
Hospitality center. We went to the nursing home and helped build ramps.
Yeah, ramps.
We went to the animal shelter. That was fun.
Gave the dogs blankets because I really like helping people out.
Yeah, I like helping people, and it's fun. I enjoy it.
We do multiple job sites like hospitality, job sites like wheelchair ramps or stairs, and most of the time we do the food bank, but we did not do it this year.
So this week we went to Miss Dorothy White's up in Silsbee. She needed some steps. She's in her 80s, and she's going through cancer treatment. Very sweet lady. So appreciative of the kids coming up there. So we built her 3 sets of steps and some handrails to make it easier for her to get into her backyard and into an outbuilding at her house. She said that Silsbee needs something like this. They need youth that come out and help. She told us when Megan and I went to meet with her, she said, "I don't have any family." And I told her, "You do now. We're your family, you know." And Miss Dorothy came out and talked with the kids and showed her appreciation to them. So the love that they share makes a big difference in the community.
Although it can be sad, like seeing people like that they don't have beds or like they have to go to the hospitality center to get food, like they're still helping people and like it'll turn out good.
You can like feel the Holy Spirit when you go to Hope Missions Week, because like the hospitality center and all that, and sleep in heavenly peace. It's just...
Who should be here this week? I can say if I'm blind and I can do it, then y'all can do it. It starts from even driving the kids to showers. You can be washing grapes and put them in baggies and bringing them up. You can bring them to different activities. There's so many things that you can do. Even hydration. I mean, Rosa brought popsicles to sites when they're working outside in the heat. That's an important job too. So there is so many jobs that you can actually do. If you don't think you can get, go to the sites, there's so many, everything else around it to make this happen, this Hope Mission Week happen.
And just help out, and just get with Meg, and she'll tell you where to go and where she needs you.
They're missing out if y'all aren't doing it. It's a lot of fun to be able to help everyone and get filled back up with the Holy Spirit, as well as being able to help them get back on track as well.
Just because I love to help serve, and this is such a great ministry to be able to serve to people that I normally sometimes would not go like just by myself or anything. And I'm getting, like, every year is different, so I'm getting new experiences each year, and this is where I was really introduced to the gospel and where I experienced God truly for the first time. Even though I grew up in the church and everything, I just truly understood what it meant to have a relationship with God and to follow Him.
So that's one thing that I've learned about Missions Week throughout the year. It's not just the people that are here. There's so many people. I think I counted 30 people my first day this year. The first day I counted 30 people just that you could visibly see that were helping. But there are people that bring water and drop off water. There are prayer warriors that come up here through the day. There are people that open their houses up for the kids to come take showers. So there's just a multitude of ways for people to serve. And at first I was kind of concerned about that because I'm not a carpenter, I'm not a youth leader, but the Lord was calling me to serve, and regardless of me not being a youth leader or a carpenter or serving, there's a way for everybody to serve with the youth here, regardless of your abilities. God provides. He shows us where we can fit in and where we can help with this in many ways.
Oh, definitely help out, and I think you should help out.
Well, I'd say our kids are our future, so we should really pour our hearts into the kids. It starts with us, just loving on the kids.
Just get involved with it. It's fun. I enjoy it, and it just makes you feel better about yourself, and it helps and makes me feel better after the week's over.
It's wonderful. It's really wonderful, and it's really wonderful to see each year that I've been up here, more and more people come to help.